one of those cameras that just gets everything right without trying to hard. This is the A7 III and has that quiet confidence feel. You pick it up, you start shooting, and nothing really gets in your way. It's not flashy, it's not trying to impress with crazy space, it is just perfect. And at its core, we got a 24.2 megapixel sensor, and it is a thing of beauty. In terms of quality per price nowadays, what you get in this, it's absolutely amazing. And yes, it might not be for the extreme professionalism out there. There is the A7 V, the A7 IV, the A7R4, and all of them others. But if you are a beginner or you want to give somebody a camera, this one is the right gift for it. At the core, we said we got a 24.2 megapixel sensor, and it is a full frame sensor that still holds up incredibly well with great dynamic range, clean files, and a look that's very easy to work with, even in post-production. Then as well, you can push the shadows, recover highlights, like it is absolutely amazing for post-production, absolutely yes. Another thing that I want to go and talk to you about is what you're looking at right now. This is called the autofocus. So the autofocus is really, really good for this camera, and I'm super happy about it. It is fast, it is reliable, it is a thing of beauty. We also have the screen that it is not a flip screen in terms of totally, but it works as such. The autofocus is wide and reliable, we said, with a wide coverage and strong tracking. It locks on, it follows your subject, you don't have to worry about it too much. It gets everything, it gets the eye motion, the face, and all the things you could. The burst shooting as well is a very, very good criteria, and it is up to 10 FPS, which is really, really good. And as you see here, this is absolutely amazing. So really happy about it. We got all the connectivity port over here on the sides. On the left side, we got, as we see here, let me go and showcase you a little bit better this one. And by the way, you can find it, the link on Amazon over on my profile. I believe they have the best price for all of you, so make sure to go and grab it. And if you do utilize it, thank you very much. It is an affiliate code and you do support the channel, so thank you a lot for this one. But overall, a great camera. And of course, it works with all of the Sony lenses. For example, here we go, an E-mount lens, a 70-200. This one works absolutely amazing, so I really recommend it to all of you.